You relics ready to eat dust?
Now try catching this.
Mercy? That's for the slow ones.
Hey, Toe! Here, try keeping up. Here, this ain't a tractor lane. Here, boy, you better watch that mouth before I tow y'all backwards.
They tried to bury the truth.
There is only one way to keep him alive. We stabilize him as human.
Move if you can. I'm not slowing down.
Well, look what the cat dragged in. Fancy suit you got, partner? What do you want? I'm busy. Just saying hi. Figured you want to see some real horsepower. Just stay back. Shots!
The track feels empty tonight. Like someone's missing.
Missing? Or just scared to show up? Come on, old man, don't tell me you're spooked already. Spooked? Nah, just waiting for the real show to start.
You relics ready to eat dust?
Dust? Buddy, I make the dust! Now try catching this.
Enough talk. If we're racing tonight, we race like family, or not at all.
Family? Then let's see who bleeds red first.
Bleed? You relics bleed rust. I bleed victory. Big words for a guy who still hides behind sponsors. I bleed victory, I bleed victory. Kid talks like a billboard.
Yeah, but he still runs like one.
Let him brag, the track sorts talk from talent.
This ends with me on top. One lap, one rule, no mercy. Mercy? That's for the slow ones.
Hey, Red, try not to trip. Woo! Relax. I'm just letting you feel fast.
Wait, where is he?
Gone. Just like last time. Last corner. He vanished. No skid marks. No sound. Like the track took him.
We don't leave our own behind.
Yeah, like we didn't leave the Italian. Italian? Wait, you mean Francesco? I thought he came back.
Oh, not this time. Mac needs to see this. To the lab.
Hey, Toe! Here, try keeping up. Here, this ain't a tractor lane. Here, boy, you better watch that mouth before I tow y'all backwards.
Careful back there, rookie. This road bites. Relax, old-timer. I'm the one doing the biting.
All right, enough racing. Let's get Matt Cole. We're finding the mystery tonight.
Well,
If there's a mystery here,
I'll be the first to solve it.
Signal distortion. Someone tried to erase his trail. Yet something remains. Coordinates beneath Mars.
Optimus, we think Italian didn't just vanish. We came to report a lead.
you're late. We already found one.
Wait, we came here about Green Racer.
yeah, the green guy's still missing too.
That's the problem. 2 disappearances, same signal pattern.
And green?
If these signals match, finding the Italian may lead us to him.
Signal stabilizing. I'm reading a buried structure directly beneath us.
Then we've found him, buried under the dust of Mars. They tried to bury the truth, but speed leaves a trace.
Structural integrity critical. Multiple impact fractures. Energy burns detected across the chassis.
Weapon signature confirmed. This damage was not caused by impact.
Decepticons.
If the Decepticons did this, they already know we're here.
Then we waste no more time. We take him home.
Hold together, just a little longer. Autobot team, respond.
Multiple hostile signatures approaching your sector. You need to move now.
Autobot team, hostile signatures approaching fast. Enter the portal immediately.
We're at the portal!
Hold it steady. Home.
What happened to it?
Prepare the repair platform.
That's one way to end a race. This fella looks like he tried racing a thunderstorm, lost the argument, then bounced down the whole mountain on the way here.
Structural fractures across the chassis of that? He sure bumped into something mighty hard.
This damage carries an external energy signature.
Energy trace confirmed. Origin unknown.
This was no accident.
Structural integrity critical. Multiple fracture points confirmed.
Stabilize the frame. Prepare full system engagement. Begin restoration.
Energy spike detected. Source is internal.
Hold the system steady.
That thing acting like it got a mind of its own.
Careful, that rear's still holding tension.
It's not tension, it's poor design.
That's not an engine.
Then what exactly are we looking at?
Huh? Y'all sure this ain't held together by hopes and duct tape?
Ha! Don't say that too loud, it might fall apart.
This isn't damage. It's failure of life systems. We convert now, or we lose him.
Signal stabilizing. It's faint, but it's there.
Life pattern detected, but degrading.
Structure forming. It's mapping a human template.
Conversion pathway confirmed.
Signal unstable. His system didn't complete.
This transformation will kill him.
There is only one way to keep him alive. We stabilize him as human.
Vitals crashing. Boosting oxygen. Prepare full stabilization sequence.
Core failure imminent. Execute stabilization immediately.
What happened? Where am I?
You're safe now. Stay with us.
You're still in there.
Yeah, that's the guy I know.
You held your ground.
It's yell, slow down! I'm run on emotions, not horsepower! You can't even touch me. Talk all you want, I'll pass you when it matters.
This is who you are, and you didn't come this far to follow. You came to win. Now, finish it.
Move if you can. I'm not slowing down.
Hold up, didn't we have a green guy? Yeah, he took an early exit. He was slowing the system.
Wait, that place? Mars. If they took me there, they took him too.